and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share what I have created with you today. This is for Tamika, who has Scrapdaworld. I know everybody knows who she is. Her monthly swap, and the theme was New Beginnings, and we were to create a 3D memory dex card, a planar charm with 5 elements, and a sequin mix. And what I have created, I've created this box to contain my swap in, and I was able to get all 4 boxes in the padded envelope, barely. So I was happy about that. What I have on the top here are some flowers from ASC Craft Supplies, and this one is Prima, and I did get it from ASC, and I've included some of my little berry clusters here, some leaves, and I had this really pretty glitter swirly left that I had not used on a project, so I used it on these. And I did put some cheesecloth in the background, and I have these little pennants or banners, and I used my distressing tool, inked the edges, and then used the bone folder to get that wave. And I love how that came out. And I did use the Prima Mystic Rose paper collection, and so I used a Martha Stewart punch to make this little border and just wrapped it around the bottom part of the box, and I love the look of that. What we have inside, I made a mini Converse memory dex card, and I absolutely love how this came out. I had so much fun making the larger ones, and I just think this came out, as everybody says, so stinking cute. So I used the paper, the Prima Mystic Rose paper. I have a little Prima flower there with some of my leaves I've cut with the Cricut, and just various paper that I've used to decorate the shoe with. And I used a really small pink ribbon and added some pearls right here. And then I had this really pretty heart bling in my stash, so I put it there at the top of the shoe. And then on the bottom, I put my name. And then on the back, I used this little flower applique. And I did reduce the file that Karolina has given us, and I will put the size that I reduced it to so you can make your memory decks. And I did make the tongue, I think the shoe, a little bit taller because it was hitting here and you could hardly see it. So I just lengthened it a little bit more. And I like the look of it where it comes up really high. So this is my little memory dex card, little shoe. I think it's so cute. And here's my sequin mix. I put it in a bottle and then just used that same Martha Stewart punch and then covered it with some of the really pretty rose paper and a little pin on the top and a flower. That way it makes it easier to open the stopper. And then here's my little dangle charm. So this is from, the little flower is from Joann's, and I had like it was one of those charm packs. I had, I think, 5 or 6. I can't remember. So that little charm is different on everyone's, and these two were from Hobby Lobby ages ago, the little tassel and the little diamond, and I think some may have a heart. And then I used, I think these are called little rondelles, the little pieces, and then a small pearl there, and I have it on a heart closure that I have tied to my card. But I love how that came out. I thought it was really cute. I'm not a jewelry maker, and since this was just a small little charm, I thought I would join in this swap. I will leave a link to Tamika's channel where she announced the swap and what all the rules were and the meaning of what each thing represented. And I also made this little note card, and on the inside it just has my information that she had some questions she wanted us to answer. And then I have a package with a few goodies for my partners. And I will be making a tutorial for this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the ladies that I'm linking in the description box below.